Hi everyone and welcome to today's training on how to use email automation for your onboarding. So I'm going to make this really simple because I love simple things in business. I like to make things easy and simple, and that way then we can keep moving forward and get on to the good fun stuff that we enjoy doing. So I've already got us inside of Constant Contact here. Now my team and I can set this all up for you, FYI. You don't have to do this alone, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what it actually looks like to onboard using Constant Contact or an email automation. Okay, so first we want to start off with, like I did this, I run a mastermind community, and so I have an onboarding for all of my tiers, day 1 through 35, and so that's how I named this. We want to name it first. And then we want to set a trigger. So the trigger in my case is everyone that goes onto the onboarding list. So after they have purchased membership to my mastermind community, they're then placed in this list and it starts to drip on them immediately. Okay, so send immediately. The first thing they're going to get is a welcome email. In that welcome email, it's going to tell them about the community. It's going to give them specifics of like where they should hang out, what is the first thing they should do, the area they should go to first. Okay, so those are going to be their first steps as we welcome them, because I don't want to overwhelm them with all the information and all these emails at one time. So I'm going to drip on them, get them feeling welcomed and get them acclimated with what our community offers and how they can get the most out of the mastermind community. So then after that, we're going to wait an hour. Okay, so this basically just says, welcome to the community. We're so excited you're here, and gives them kind of some overview things. The second one then gives them a call to action. Okay, so this call to action can be go create your intro post. So then I have them do an intro post. All right, so then the next day, I send another email because I want them to get engaged as soon as possible. So that way then I'm not reaching out every single day for the first 35 days. They're actually getting an automatic email that gives them a step to do or a point to ponder on how to grow their business within the mastermind community and how they can get the most out of the training guides that I'm offering them, as well as preparing for their one-on-one calls with me. And so as you see, we've got step 3. Now the step 4, I've waited one more day. And so some of these steps can be things like create your intro post, okay? Create a video about yourself. And then another one is go to the resource guide section. Check it out. See what resources are going to be applicable to your business and dive into that area. And so then you can ask questions. Then Vox me, email me questions about that information just to get them started and get them moving forward in the mastermind. So anyway, this is how we do it. I line these out. When we're doing it as a team, I have you create these. I give you kind of templated ideas. We strategize about that. And I give you templated ideas on what each one of these stepped emails includes. And then you get it to me, you get the graphic to me, and I have my team compile all of this for you. So have a great day, and I hope this shows a lot of ways that you can save time and money in your business, helping it to grow faster each and every day, as well as engaging with your community. So have a great day. God bless.